Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Metamask and unlocking your wallet. This is where you'll add the token. Make sure you've selected the correct network because a token's contract only exists on one chain. Changing networks later won't show it. Next, copy the token contract address, symbol, and decimals from a trusted source or your token issuer. Once done, you're ready to proceed to the token import screen inside Metamask so you can add the custom asset. You click Assets, then Import Tokens, and choose Custom Token to begin. Paste the contract address into the field. Metamask often fetches symbol and decimals automatically, but make sure they match what you verified. If something doesn't autofill, enter the token symbol and decimals manually. After reviewing the displayed information, press Add Custom Token and then Import to add the asset to your wallet so balances will appear for that token on the selected network. You should now see the token listed with your balance. If you don't, first confirm you're on the exact network and that the contract address is correct. Small typos matter. Make sure decimals and symbol match the trusted source because wrong decimals hide balances. If the token still fails to appear, try locking and unlocking Metamask or restarting the browser. As a last step, remove and reinstall the extension, but only after backing up your seed phrase securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.